Well, if you say so. All right. Well, division one here, people. This is a fast one. It's all about your setup here. So let's jump right to it. What they're asking us is to set up our division problems other ways. So, for example, we can use our old school, our division symbol here, how we write it out from left to right. If we write it out from left to right, that really means if we write it as a fraction, 15 divided by 3, 15 divided by 3. See, just different ways that we write out. And then if we write it out with the long division symbol here, well, since you're dividing by the 3 would go on the outside, and you want to know how many groups the 3 you can take out of 15, so the 15 would be on the inside. And then in the first box, they want you to use words. So we could say like something like 15 divided by 3. And that's it. They're all equivalent expressions, different ways of writing out our divisions problems. Now, we like this one a lot. We're a big fan of that fraction one. So that's the one that we're going to be kind of pushing more. With this one here, they want us to use the words dividend and divisor. And the big thing is when you set these particular problems up, the divisor is what you are dividing by. So divisor, that means the dividend is the number that it's being divided into. So the dividend is always the top number. All right, that's when we look at that. And the divisor is always the bottom number. All right, so when we do this, it's the same thing as right out from left to right. This is take your dividend, all right, and divide it by your divisor. All right, and again, whatever you're dividing by, that's your divisor. So that means your divisor goes on the outside, and your dividend goes on the inside. And if we're using words, we're going to get a little fancy here. One of your words for division, yes, divide by, quotient. All right, quotient means to divide. So that's one that we're going to want to be familiar with. So we can say find the quotient of the dividend and divisor. Sorry, I'm trying to get blended in there. All right. And yeah, quotient just means that we're going to divide. All right, this one by this one. So let's go on to the next one here. All right. And I'm going to give you a moment to try to fill it out. So you can just kind of put me on pause here. All right. See if you can fill in the 3 particular blanks and go from there. Yeah, that's the police siren coming for you if you didn't actually put it on pause. All right. All right, if you did, no big deal. Okay, so h divided by 16. Did you put your 16 in the denominator, the h up in the numerator? All right. We could say h, and we could say divided by 16. And the big one here is when we do your long division here, your oh my goodness, forgiveness method. Yes, there we go. Since you're divided by the 16 goes on the outside, the h would go on the inside. All right. Let's go to the next one and the oh no, there's more. Oh, there's more. Okay. The good ones are coming up here. 7 divided by x. So 7 divided by x. Yeah. Take a moment again, see if you can fill in the other two. Did you put an x there and a 7 there? Yeah, it's not always variable on the outside, variable on the inside. We're dividing by the x, all right? So since that's what we're dividing by, that's why it goes on the outside. All right, let's see what you've got there. Now here we go. So this is the good one here, because look at this. Oh, all right. So because we have parentheses here, that means all of this is being divided by 2. So all of it, y plus 13. All of this is being divided by 2. Yeah. Now, the other thing that comes up out here, this is exciting here. See how it's got parentheses? Okay. Because it's got parentheses, we just can't write it out parentheses y plus 13 parentheses. No. The word we use for parentheses is we say quantity. So we can say the quantity, all right, of y plus 13. I'll put a little comma, let me know we're going to pause here, and then we can say divided by 2. Now that pause is important there because otherwise we're not sure the quantity of y plus 13 divided by 2. We don't know if it's the y and the 13 that's being added together. Added together, or if it's the y plus 13, and then we'll do the division sign. So that's what's important out of it. So this is the one we want to make sure you're comfortable with there. All right, the fact that all of this is being divided by 2, so all of this is being divided by 2. So that would mean 2 on the outside and y plus 13. That's on the inside. All right, that's it there, people. All right, don't be upset. There's always more. You can always end up kind of watching again there. Oh, we are done.